how to contact Snapchat customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can contact Snapchat customer support, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, contacting Snapchat customer support does not mean you can talk to a live agent, because Snapchat is not a payment app nor a bank. It is simply a social media platform that has billions of users worldwide and globally. That is why Snapchat cannot attend to each user's needs. That's why there is the help section and you have to simply submit a form. So you open up Snapchat and then you basically tap the profile icon here, then you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see various sorts of options where you can also see I need help section under support. So when you go to I need help, before you try to contact Snapchat support, just see if you have any sort of issues that you can get with, and after that you can simply scroll down here. You'll find the contact us button. Tap on the contact us option. Now you simply have to submit a request as to why you are contacting them. So if you need help with the Snapchat feature, or if you found a bug, or if you want to report a safety concern, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and enter this, and then make sure to simply enter your details, and then you should be able to get to them. This way you can contact Snapchat customer support. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.